What's up, Restorers and Explorers? We are back. Another episode, Tony Restorers and Explorers, coming at you.
So we just stopped off on the side of the road here. We got a big pile of nonsense. I see this all the time when I'm coming home, and looks like somebody threw out their entire garbage bag worth of stuff. These things, you see these everywhere. These are like $20, $30, $40. A lot of places. What's going on? You're supposed to buy one of those and
have it for life.
Or as close to it as you can.
It's crazy to me that people throw stuff like that out and give it away. I get that sometimes you move, whatnot, but you want to reduce the amount of crap you have. But the whole point of getting rid of single-use plastic is to use drinks like this for your water. And there's two of them in here. But this person threw out two. And then they dumped their whole bag on the side of the road. Who dumps their whole bag on the side of the road? I don't understand that. I've talked about it many times before on the channel. It's just like, there's a million different places you can go to properly get rid of this shit. And, you know, people don't care. People don't care. Plastic forks, plastic straws. What a waste. Just a complete and utter waste. People are gross. People be gross sometimes, guys. Oh. Throwing out an entire bottle of vitamin water, that's cool. That's really good. Oh, there's one for the smokers. I know what that is. That's a joint tube from your local dispensary. We know what this is too. Styrofoam. Cursed styrofoam. Worst junk in the world. Stop production of styrofoam immediately. That's what we should be doing. Yeah, but now is a great time, guys. Oh, these useless mailers from all the credit card companies sending out garbage. Credit cards that they don't need, spending money that they don't have. Just what a wasteful, bullshit ass thing we're running here. We gotta get our shit together as a species, guys. This is a mess. But, you know, everybody said we can all do it ourselves. Like I said, there's no better time. Chicagoland, it's a beautiful, beautiful day. March, April, May, those are the prime months to get out here and clean up. Everything's still dead, so you can see the junk in the grass. Old styrofoam here. Unbelievable. Look at it. Look at it. Junk. This log would otherwise be a perfect habitat for little critters and insects and myceliums and all kinds of good stuff. Now, it's just a junkyard with ads. Nothing but ads. How many people become cops because they saw an ad? I got a question for the chat. How many people become cops because they saw an ad? Said, oh, I'm gonna get my life together. I'm gonna become a cop. You know, not to say that they're all bad, but certainly a occupation in service to the ruling class. I'm a big believer in scab, not a cab, 'cause that's just wrong. But scab. Some cops are bastards. Some cops are bastards and they exploit their power, and they're supposed to be doing a civil service. They're supposed to be helping the community. They're supposed to be taking care of each other. And they end up just exploiting their power for their own gain. And boy, oh boy, do I hate that. Especially when it's under the guise of civil service. Oh yeah, you're a civil servant. Breaking into people's homes, forfeiting property, dropping fake, dropping evidence, planting evidence, racially discriminating and targeting certain peoples. Fuckers. That's what they are. That's all right. We got to take civil service into our own hands. If they don't respect it, we should respect it. Now that being said, there are some truly amazing cops who truly do care about serving their community and are out there every day. One of the hardest jobs in the world. If you're doing it right, it's the hardest job in the world. Taking care of your community. Going on calls that none of us want to go to. And then, in a lot of cases, have them call in EMTs, their backup and whatnot. And, oh, look at this. Oh boy. That's a business somebody could start. Somebody that comes in and cleans up after a car crash. I know that most of them are like publicly reported and stuff, but you report your crash, 9 times out of 10 there's tons of plastic and garbage that gets knocked around everywhere. Well, that a lotto ticket? Somebody didn't win. All just runs off, eventually ends up in our water, in the soil. Crazy, guys. This stuff, these little onesie boozer things. What a crazy invention. I guess out of necessity some of this stuff was made. Who knows? You know that saying? That the road to hell is paved with good intentions. So, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the earth only created us so that it could have plastic. Name is George Carlin. Planet needed plastic, didn't know how to make it itself, created us to get the plastic. That's simple. Although I don't think that's true. It is not supposed to be dug up from the bottom of the earth, brought up to the surface, reprocessed, and then creating a nice thick new layer of this poisonous shit. So, nobody's honking today. Usually I get a couple people giving me the honk of approval. I like we need it. I'm about to build a back sign that I can just plant right on my back as I'm doing these cleanups, pleading with the voter base to get their shit together and finally start bringing a real democracy back. Instead of whatever the hell you want to call this government we got going on now. Everybody thought it was bad with Biden. Oh boy, I don't care who it is. It's going to keep getting worse and worse. No matter who we elect. Presidents shouldn't be kings. We need a complete rework of how we manage these systems of government and social institutions and you know, corporate governance. This shit is fucked up, man. The environment's red alert zone. We're all in red alert, every part of society. It's not just the environment. Every single part of society here is red alert. These little wine coolers. Single shot wine coolers. How stupid. I did see something cool today though. The Village of Homer had people out picking up trash. So at least somebody can afford to do it. Not everybody likes to do it as a hobby like myself, but at least some of these local municipalities will spend tax dollars properly so that keep the place looking clean, not like a dump, like a junkyard. There's -1 for the smokers, guys. Do not, if you're a smoker, throw those out. Just don't do it. Get a little trash bag for in your car, or get a little cigarette disposable bottle. Put all your trash into that. Not difficult. See, look, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Is probably what happened here, unless that floated in there, which I don't think it did. Now this guy still failed because he still threw it out the window, but he put it in the cup. Just didn't put it away right. Let's talk about dumb. Really, really dumb. But I hope you all are having a great day. No need to be pessimistic all the time. Everybody's got plenty of stuff going on in their lives. Smarter people than me coming up with new ideas that could potentially benefit all of us. Let me know in the comments. Got any big plans this summer? What are your hopes and dreams? What do you like to see get done out here? Get creative, that's the thing. I saw a cool new thing, I wish I could afford it, but it's a cool little AI-powered robotic like wagon that you can program called the Litter Buddy. And as you're cleaning up, it walks right next to you and you can just program it to walk at your speed so you don't have to carry the bucket around and keep moving the bucket. Check it out, give it a Google. Give it a Google. They're very cool. Something that you and everybody in the neighborhood could share even. And like make a thing on weekends to rally the troops and go get the litter bug. Go get litter bugged up. Styrofoam, I'm telling you, styrofoam is so awful. I think of all this stuff, I hate styrofoam the most. It just is everywhere. See, there's a very limited time, guys, and there's tons of stuff hidden under here that you can't even see. So if you really wanted to deep clean it, it'd take a lot more work. Look at that. That's covered in dirt. How are you gonna find that if it's halfway in the dirt? Which is why it shouldn't even be done in the first place. People have no idea the repercussions. The karmic debt you're incurring every single time you do it. You know, when you're young, it's one thing, but if you're an adult, get your shit together. These smokers, man, look at all this smoking shit. Sometimes I think they're worse than the boozers. Even though a lot of them are one and the same. Just a nightmare. Absolute nightmare. Yeah, now they got these vapes. Yeah, so not only do the vapes are made of plastic, but there's a giant lithium battery in there. Totally toxic. Totally insane. Oh yeah. See, and then it reaches, see that disintegration point? I think that one's probably been out here over a year. Not good. You know, so even the companies that are doing like reduce the thinness of the plastic, yeah, technically, you know, from a math standpoint, you're contributing less to the problem, but at the same time, just figure out a way to put it in your supply chain to use a completely different material other than plastic. Oh, Victoria, is that a condom? Hey, oh, maybe that's lube. We got one for the sex addicts. One for the sex addicts out here, y'all. What a mess. Well, that looks a lot better already, guys. Look at that. Freshening it up a little bit. Because, yeah, I still miss stuff. Oops. Boy, oh boy, do a lot of our roads need this tending to. Plus, it's great exercise. You get out here, do a little bit of walking, twisting, grabbing, all that. See, in that case, that's where the litter robot would have been, or the litter bug would have been really nice. Just have it tug right down and follow me, but I won't keep you guys for the rest of the cleanup here. We're just gonna keep doing our thing. Hope you guys are doing the same out there. Love you very much. Keep living that green revolution, y'all. Till next time.